Welcome. If you want to hide apps from home screen and the menu in your Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra, at the first you have to click and hold the home screen, then move to the settings. Next you have to select hidden apps, and for example I'm going to hide YouTube and YouTube Music. Click done, and as you can see right now we cannot find these apps on the home screen and also on the menu. But we are still able to enter these apps by tapping on the search and then typing YouTube. And as you can see, here it is. So that's how we can make it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.